Hi, welcome to another video on Agno's agentic framework. We got some queries on how to build an agent using Perplexity. We all know that Perplexity can talk to different models. It also has the ability to access the web. So here is a tiny demo of Perplexity-based agent with web access. Very short demo. Hi, welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we showcase hands-on demos and insights into AI automation and no-code tools. We have created several make.com modules to simplify no-code automation for you. Subscribe and join us on this journey into the future of technology. Here we have the import needed for this, where we are importing the Agno agent. And then from Agno's models library, we import Perplexity. Why do we need this? This eliminates the learning curve. We only need to know how to use Agno agent. We don't need to learn individual API calls for these model providers. And this is where we are defining the agent. We are using Sonar Pro model from Perplexity. Of course, you need credit card information and the API key from Perplexity. So this is for people who are wanting to use Perplexity in their agentic application. Here we are telling it, show me top 2 news stories from USA. Okay, so that is it. Below that, we have an example of how to get the response into a variable. This is the code that we just saw. Only difference is I'm adding my API key from the env using this load.env lines. You can ignore these. These are my commented lines, which I use it if you want to log for debugging. Sonar Pro is being used, and here we are telling, show me top 2 news stories on AI or LLM. Let's see what it says. And remember, for Perplexity, you don't need a separate web access tool like DuckDuckGo. Perplexity has the built-in ability to access the web. I have the run1.sh, which runs the Python script in my environment. Show me top 2 news stories on AI or LLM. Okay, so here, OpenAI's experimental reasoning LLM achieves historic math feat and GPT-5 rumored imminent. So this news is big. Actually, OpenAI's latest reasoning agent solved 5 out of 6 problems in the IMO Math Olympiad, high school level. So we are getting closer and closer in exceeding human intelligence. Okay, so that is the demo. See you in another video like this. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Your support really helps. Have ideas or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Let's build together. At Shogini, we offer expert no-code make.com and Python AI automation consulting with ready-to-use modules to jumpstart your projects. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.